Jai Srimanarayana. 11th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adhaitadapi asektosi kartum madhyogamaśritaha sarvakarma फलत्यागं ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्। ओम Keep on training your mind to perform all your activities without desiring rewards. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja Ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall consciously keep on training my mind to perform all my activities without desiring any rewards. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapetakrtyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 218th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma seeing so many Vishnumurtis in Brindavanam. So far, we have enjoyed all those Vishnumurtis. How are they looking? Through Vyasa Bhagavatam. Now let us enjoy the same thing through Potana Bhagavatam. How all those boys and baby cows are looking like Vishnumurtis to Chaturmukha Brahma. Meghasyamulunu Harakundala Kiritavana Malikabhiramulunu ಶ್ರೀವತ್ಸ ಮಂಗಳಾಂಗದನೂಪುರ ಕನಕ ಕಟಕ ಕಂಕಣ ಕಟಿಘಟಿತ ಕಾಂಚಿ ಗುಣೋದ್ಧಾಮುಲುನು ఆపాదమస్తక తులసీదళదాములును విలసదంగులీయకస్తోములును శంఖచక్ర గదా కమలహస్తులును చతుర్భుజ ప్రశస్తులును పీతకౌశేయవాసులును చంద్రికాధవలహాసులును కరుణాకటాక్ష వీక్షణ విలాసులును రవికోటి భాసులును అనంత సచ్చిదానంద రూపమహితులును అనిమాది గుణోపేతులును విజాతీయ భేదరహితులును శ్రీమన్నారాయణ ప్రతిమాన విగ్రహ స్వరూపులునై తమకు పరతంత్రులగుచు నృత్తగీతాది సేవా విశేషంబులకుంజొచ్చి మెలంగుచు మూర్తిమంతంబులైన బ్రహ్మాది చరాచరంబులును అనిమాది సిద్ధులును మాయా ప్రముఖంబులైన శక్తులును మహదాది చతుర్వింశతి తత్వంబులును గుణక్షోభకాల పరిణామ హేతు సంస్కార కామకర్మ గుణంబులును సేవింప వేదాంత విధులకైన నెరుంగరాణి తరంగుణ మెరయుచుంగాణబడిన వారలంకనుగొని. When Chaturmukha Brahma happened to see all those Vishnumurti Swarupas, the effulgence that is coming out of them, Chaturmukha Brahma was unable to see. His eyes, his vision is not able to reach out the high velocity stream of Tejas which is coming out from so many Sri Mahavishnu Swarupas. And he started thinking that, contemplating that, what is the reason behind it? I am the Srushtikarta. Mosamu vachagade vidhatakun. Even I am also got into illusion. I am totally in confusion now. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma getting shocked, surprised to see such a huge amount of effulgence, spark, glow coming out from so many boys and baby cows. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 11th sloka. Adhaitadapya shaktosi kartum madhyogamaashritaha sarvakarma phalatyagam tatah kuruyatatmavan. Adhaitadapya shaktosi kartum madhyogamaashritaha sarvakarma phalatyagam tatah kuruyatatmavan. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.